When things get broken, there is only one pig to call. I give you the expert, Grandpa Pig.
Yes, I am the expert at fixing things. Eureka! My calculations confirm this is, indeed, a royal amphibian.
Perhaps the glue stick would be better for this, Peppa. It holds things together much more strongly.
Wow! This really is extreme strength glue!
There we are. That should hold it.
Wow, Grandpa Pig, you mended it!
What do you call a frog that only walks backward?
Greg?
Oh, bother! This glue is absolutely no good. It's empty. Behold, the solution to all our problems.
A bit of tape and nobody will ever know.
Behold my latest masterpiece, made entirely from sticky tape.
Wow! The frog is truly dead.
It's a lovely sunny day, Grandpa Pig. Why don't we take a break and sit outside?
That sounds like a splendid idea, Daddy Pig. Oh, ho, ho, a lovely big puddle.
George, the paint is coming off. Froggy, messy.
This is my marvelous sound machine. It makes a big noise when I press the button. Listen. Look at my magnificent pumpkin, Granny. The finest in the whole garden.
It is very impressive, Grandpa. Well done.
Look, George. This is our new teddy. I shall call him Mr. Stripes.
He certainly is a very special dinosaur, George.
I wish I had a dinosaur like that. He is unique.
Leave it to me. I'll have this fixed in a jiffy. Right then, is everyone ready to go outside?
Yes, Daddy, we are all ready now.
Hooray! Let's go!
Jumping in muddy puddles.
I am the opera frog. La la la. Sing a song for me.